You've seen how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. You have also seen how to evaluate expressions with integer exponents. In this video, we look at several variable expressions with integers. Let's start with an example. Find the combined areas of these two rectangular shapes expressed as a variable expression. To find the area of a rectangle, multiply the length and width. To find the combined areas of these two rectangles, simplify this expression. 8 times the quantity x plus 5 plus 6 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Distribute 8 to this expression and 6 to this expression. We get this expression, 8x plus 40 plus 12x plus 6. Combine like terms. That means combining these two terms and these two terms. The result is 20x plus 46, as shown here. Let's look at another example. Find the combined volumes of the cube and the rectangular prism. The cube and prism have side lengths as shown. The volume of the cube is the side length cubed, and the volume of a rectangular prism is the length times the width times the height. This expression can be used to find the combined volumes. S cubed is the volume of the cube. L times W times H is the volume of the rectangular prism. Let's replace the variables with the given measurements as shown here. We get the quantity 5x cubed plus the quantity x plus 2 times 5 times 10, which equals 125x cubed plus 50x plus 100. Let's look at a final example. What is the net volume for these three cylinders and the large pipe? The cylinders have a radius of x, and the pipe has a radius of 9. Both the cylinders and the pipe have a height of x plus 15. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is shown here. V equals pi r squared times h, where r is the radius of the circular section and h is the height of the cylinder. There are two types of cylinders. These three have the same radius and height. This cylinder is not solid and therefore has negative volume. The small cylinders have a radius of x. The pipe has a radius of 9. All four figures have a height of x plus 15. Here are the combined volumes of the three cylinders and the pipe. 3 pi x squared times the quantity x plus 15 minus pi times 9 squared times the quantity x plus 15. We can factor out pi and distribute the 3x squared to these terms and the 9 squared to these terms to get this expression. Combine like terms, which means combining these x terms. This simplifies to this expression.